Alright, many hours later, I actually took a nap. It was so good. I probably could have slept more. I'm still so tired from our travel day. Oh my goodness. But it just rained again for the second time. The clouds are a little bit questionable, but we're gonna go to the main pool with the slide, hang out there, probably grab something to eat at the little restaurant over there. And Aiden wants to go to Polynesian to get a Dole Whip. He did have a Dole Whip today at Disney Springs, but I think he wants to have one more. So let's see if we'll make it happen for him. Alright, we're all done with the pool, and because it is his birthday, he wanted to
get a Dole Whip at the Polynesian.
So we're walking, and the electrical parade is over there. So we're enjoying our walk. It's beautiful, quiet, a little sketchy over there. But it was a beautiful day. The pool was great now, right?
Yeah.
It was almost
There's
like
still people, but you know, much more emptier than compared
much
to
more
like
emptier.
the first day.
Less little kids. We love little kids. When there's a lot of them, it gets busy. Finished the movie. It was beautiful. So now we're gonna take the monorail back to our fancy resort. And Aiden is just getting himself some collectible medallions and pressed pennies. Which, if you're on a budget, it's the best souvenir, right?
I know, right? Which one should I get?
Oh, Moana. Ariel, Moana.
Of course, one.
No questions asked. Let me see. Oh, look at that, beautiful.